Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I showed a potential Bitcoin price path, and today it played out exactly as forecasted. At the time, price was sitting at 106K. I drew a move targeting 3 checkpoints, 106.4K, then 107.6K, and finally 109.3K. And that's exactly what happened. Bitcoin surged to a local high of 109.7K, then dipped to retest 109.3K as support. At the time of recording, price is consolidating around 108.7K. I used this move to lock in profits and reduce exposure. Most of my position is now closed. I'm still holding a smaller long from 106.4K, waiting to see what comes next. In the last 24 hours, total liquidations reached $294 million. $248 million came from shorts. That's over 80%, confirming how aggressive the short squeeze was. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, lower time frames are too balanced to give strong signals. But the 3-day view shows one hot level below us at 103.6K, just under the recent low at 105.3K. That zone only holds around $1 billion in liquidation leverage, making it less interesting for a dip. Above us, the setup is stronger. There's a short liquidation cluster between 109.7 and 111.6K, holding roughly $5.7 billion. After today's breakout, this area is a clear magnet for price. The 1-week heat map confirms this. The level at 111.1K, which I mentioned yesterday, has built up $542 million in short liquidations. If bulls stay in control, that level becomes a logical next target. What's next? If we fail to get support from the 108.9K level, I expect consolidation just below the next yellow dotted line, around 108.3K. From there, price could grind upward to the 111.1K cluster. If that breaks, we may revisit the purple horizontal line at 112K. And if momentum stays strong, 115 to 120K is not far-fetched. Fueling this move are ETF inflows. Today, Bitcoin ETFs saw $408 million in new capital, and that's not counting BlackRock. Once added, inflows could total 500 to 700 million, possibly the strongest day this month. Institutions are buying, retail is fearful, the divergence is striking. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.